Abhiyan, and which is a program which was conceptualized by Niti Aayog. It is a 3-month campaign which is called again Sampurnata Abhiyan, which will last from July 2024 to September 2024 to carry out a sustained and consistent effort to achieve saturation of key performance indicators that are identified each for the block and also for the district. So today we gather here and we are thrilled to welcome 3 honorable MLAs from Ri-Bhoi Aspirational District rather. Firstly, I would like to welcome our honorable MLA from Nongpo, Shri Merrill Bonds Aim, our honorable MLA from Jirang constituency, Shri Sostenes Sotun, and also our honorable MLA from Umroi constituency, Shri Damanbaj Lamare. And also I would like to take this opportunity to welcome our Niti Aayog advisor, Shri Surinder Mehta ji, who is here from Niti Aayog, who has come here especially to grace us for this occasion. And also Ms. Shilpa Ahuja, who is a consultant of Niti Aayog looking after Meghalaya, who is here today. Also, I would like to welcome our DC sir, Shri Abhilash Baranwal, who is our Deputy Commissioner, and especially also to Father Peter Aimle, who has allowed us and who has been kind enough to give us this venue. Without further ado, I would like to invite Madam Brenda Pakenteng, who is our Additional Deputy Commissioner in charge of planning, to kindly felicitate the guests. This is a small token of our appreciation to all the special guests and dignitaries. And also, I would, to Madam, also to our DC sir and also to Father Peter Aimle, we have a small token of our appreciation. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite our respected Deputy Commissioner, sir, Shri Abhilash Baranwal, IAS, who will be giving us the welcome speech and the keynote address. Sir.
Thank you, Chairperson, who is also BDO Umling and Assistant Commissioner, Eric. First of all, I would like to extend my warmest regards as well as sincere gratitude to all the three local MLAs of the districts who are present over here. Shri Medalbon CM, who is the local MLA for the Nongpo constituency. Shri Damanbait Lamare, who is the local MLA for the Umroi constituency, as well as Shri Sosthenes Sotun, who is the local MLA for Jirang constituency. Sir, from the district administration, we are eternally grateful to you for making time for this launch of the Sampurnata Abhiyan and gracing this occasion. Thereafter, I would like to also welcome our advisor from the Niti Aayog, who is a senior Indian Forest Service officer, Shri Surendra Mehra. Sir, thank you for gracing the occasion, and we welcome you to the event. Similarly, I would like to also invite and welcome Niti Aayog representative, Srimati Shilpa Ahuja, all the other people who are present over here, friends from media, Chairman Rangba Shnong, and most importantly, the owner of the venue, Father Peter C.M. Liam. So I welcome you all to the launch of this momentous program that has been initiated by the Niti Aayog for achieving 100% saturation in 6 key indicators across different sectors of the society. We stand today at the precipice of a transformative journey. The launch of Sampurnata Abhiyan is not just about achieving targets, it's about weaving a tapestry of well-being for all. As we all know, that Ribhoi has the unique distinction of not just being an aspirational district, but also having an aspirational block. So we have far greater opportunities as well as responsibilities to ensure that the district achieves its true potential. Across our aspirational district and block, we aim to achieve saturation in 6 key indicators. First, we'll strive for 100% of pregnant women registering for their antenatal checkup within the first trimester of their pregnancy. This is important to ensure that the IMR and MMR, which the government of Meghalaya has been focusing on and the government of India has been focusing on, comes down to a much more manageable level. Every child deserves a healthy beginning, and Sampurnata Abhiyan paves the way for that. We'll also be focusing on ensuring that all secondary schools get their electricity. The idea is, so out of 152 schools that we have, 149 have electricity, but then 3 are yet to achieve the same. And within the next 3 months, the idea is to achieve 100% electrification of all the secondary schools as well. Thirdly, we also have to ensure full immunization for all of our children. Today, in this 21st century, the society cannot afford to lose any more child on account of diseases which are preventable in nature. By ensuring 100% immunization will ensure that no child meets an untimely fate because of something which was preventable and avoidable. As a society, as a nation, as a state, we have to ensure the same. We'll also be working towards ensuring that soil health cards are distributed to all the farmers. We have around 2,400 farmers which are yet to be distributed the same. And through this initiative, our aim is to achieve 100% saturation in the same. Finally, by achieving saturation in household access to toilets and bank accounts, we will empower families and foster financial inclusion. This campaign isn't a top-down directive. It's a collective effort, and it is the endeavor of the district administration under the guidance of the state government of Meghalaya as well as Niti Aayog to ensure that we achieve 100% saturation in all these indicators. We'll strive to leverage technology and through mass programs, but most importantly, through the support of all stakeholders, will ensure that we'll work tirelessly to achieve 100% saturation in all these 6 indicators. Sampurnata Abhiyan is a clarion call for collective action. Let's bridge the gaps, empower our aspirational district, Ribhoi, and create a truly Sampurna India where every life will flourish. That's all from my end. Thank you. Kublai Shibun.
Thank you, sir, for your thought-provoking address and your discussion on the present and future of the ABP indicators has certainly given us a lot to think about, sir. We appreciate your time. Ladies and gentlemen, as a symbolic gesture for the launch of Sampurnata Abhiyan, I now request our special guests and dignitaries to kindly come up on stage and to light this lamp that is placed in front here as a symbolical launch of the Sampurna Abhiyan program. Thank you. All right, thank you. Thank you to our special guests. May this light be a sign of what is to come to ensure consistency and sustainability as one of the methods that we must take to ensure that we complete the saturation of these indicators. Ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to request all of you to kindly stand, and we will be taking the pledge for Sampurnata Abhiyan. Thank you. Kindly repeat after me. I pledge to work and contribute towards making my block and my district achieve saturation in all the indicators of the Sampurnata Abhiyan and lead my block and my district towards a healthy, empowered, and prosperous community, and work towards transforming it from aspirational to inspirational. Thank you. You may kindly take your seat. ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense honor to call upon on the stage Shri Surinder Mehraji, who is also the advisor of Niti Aayog. He belongs to the Indian Forest Service, and sir has come all the way from Delhi to grace us for this occasion. And sir, I would like to invite you on stage to kindly give us a short speech. Thank you, sir.
Good morning to all. First of all, I would pay my regard to all the three MLAs of this district, Nongpo, Jirang and Umarai. It's a sign that people or the representative who belong to people are here to support us, not only the government officials, but to the public whom they belong. And that is basically the aspiration was when we amended our constitution to bring the PRIs in the constitution. And the authority or the government itself going to the people. So I'm very happy to see all three MLAs here. They play a very important role when we talk about taking up the schemes or government program to the public. As far as aspirational block program is concerned, all of you know that this is an initiative of Niti Aayog. Prior to aspirational block program, we had aspirational district program, where Riboi is one of the district among different districts which we have taken up under this program throughout the country. As far as Northeast is concerned, there are 41 aspirational blocks, out of which 3 are in the state of Meghalaya. And Riboi is one of the district, under Riboi district, Umling is one of the block which is doing very well. But at the same time, there are some indicators where we are lagging behind. In some indicator we are doing very good, and in some indicators we are lagging behind. So it becomes our collective responsibility to work on those particular indicators. As in our home also, when we grow our children, we keep monitoring them at different stages. As they grow from class 5 to class 8, then class 10. Ultimately, we want a very good result from them, so that they can become a citizen, a good citizen for the country. In the same way, as a society, when we grow, these are just indicators, but they reflect how a society is growing, how a society is contributing to the common cause, and how our representative system at the local level is working, and how they have collaboration with the administration. It is not only collaboration of public with the government, but also collaboration of different departments, different wings of the government. Until unless we have collaboration with different wings of the government, we won't be able to achieve the results. So it's very important at the ground level, whether it is agriculture department or any other department which deals with the land resources, they have to work together. Health and education, they might look different, but they are same. Because many a time when we talk about the health, we also talk about the health care of our children, those who are going to schools. So as far as I see, Umling block has done very good as far as ANC registration is concerned, but at the same time, we can achieve more, and that should be our target. And achieving more doesn't mean that we just should be care about the numbers. It should actually bring the impact in the society. So there is something called, if you like, there is a scheme of construction of a road, and there is a certain amount which is given for construction of road. So if you spend that amount of road, the road is constructed. So in the same way, we may be able to achieve our saturation point, but that should not be the end. So achieving to a particular point is one target or one effort, but more than that should be the collective effort so that we can keep that level of 100%. So that will come only when we increase like this and we try to stay there. Try to stay there or try to stay at the saturation level is very, very important. Because until and unless we don't have collaborative effort or the initiation from the people, let us make it a people's program or the people's participation program. Please don't take it as the program of government. Please don't take it as effort of 3 MLAs who are sitting here. It is all your program. So they'll be able to say that we have achieved something that depends on you. So you have to support your public representatives, you have to support your district administration so that you can achieve this target and you can maintain those targets. So I don't have much to say here. The only thing which I would like to say is that I already know that people of this area is very forward looking. They participate, especially the women participation is very high in this part of country. And let us be the torchbearer for other 499 blocks of the country. So this pledge was taken by everyone. So I add one more line to this pledge. Let the people of Umling be the torchbearer for the rest of 499 blocks of the country. So this is all what I wanted to say. In the end, I would like to thank the district administration, especially DC Riboy, Mr. Barnwal, his team, ADC, BDO, and all his team, and other participants, and all the participants who are participating through their different stalls, people of SSGs, local Panchayati Raj institutions, and other who are participating in this program. I thank all of them, and I also thank Father Peter for providing us the space to organize this program. So once again, thank you very much. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for highlighting the importance of a collective effort and also ensuring that this is a people's program and only through coordination and collaboration, sir, can we achieve the indicators and maybe even beyond that. Thank you again, sir. So now, as we move forward, I would like to invite our very own a farmer from Riboy district who has been identified by the district agriculture department to kindly come forward and give us a testimony of the benefits that he has received. Thank you.
Kublai pibaro ngawanne naka liang kinong rap hangning batas phang khandiat ham phang ka ka bayade ba kaneka soil health card kaneka soil health card kadika card ka ba ngi kum kinong rap ngi la bantip phang ba kumno ki ai jing khenya ka komlong chuka khandeu ha kaneka health card bade ki batai ngi ba katuka khandeu ko bangi ngi thung jing thung kumno ki ai jing khengi ba dakino ki kinja sebo kaba ngi ngila ban ai khnang ban penuna ya kata ka jing ai sebo kham tami kineki chemicals te dakane ka health card badeng ngiti ba ka khandeu ka bangi ngi thung jing thung ka long hadu kano ba ngila ban penun kam tangkine gitin kublishibun
kublishibun kong. Sir, just to translate, she had mentioned about the importance of soil health cards and how it has made them realize as farmers about what to contribute towards the soil and what not to contribute. So they know the health of the soil via these soil health cards, sir. and it has helped in production. Kublesha sa Shisien Kong. The next in the program, I would like to invite our special guest, Shri Damanbaj Lamare, who is the honorable MLA from Umroi constituency, to kindly come and give a short speech. Sir.
Nangkong long shop, ngai go you blade dragon rad, unong bu unong tau, ubaker beri badayangi, nagipor sagipor, kumjoro ngai kublay, his chairman bapaniya jagani ka program kajongi, hagajo ko por idero, i block development officer jong ko umling block, takidon hanero, i local MLA. Jangka Nongpok constituency isa Merrill Bond, MLA jangka Jirang constituency isa Sotun, Don Hanero, district commissioner jangka Riboy district, Shri Banarwal, Shri Abilaj Banarwal, Don Hanero, Shri Surendra Mera, ide senior officer. But advisor jo ng Niti Ayog, but kumjo ngai kuble ya pi baro iwe pe iwe ki don hapo kani ka kamra, ta kani ka por ngasneo ban ai kuble ro kerpang nagabenta ka Niti Ayog langba kani ka sempurnata abhiyan kabala suj la shor menta ka sengi ngasneo don bok bangalong unong mikmat hagani ka district Riboy long ka district kabala Sajid kum kata ka district kabadon ya ka lat kelenti ban Q state habaro kiliang kumjuro ngai kuble kerpangro ya ko umling block kabalong ka block la Sajid kum ka ba Q state na ki south lipat ki block Hagari Boy district ka jongi langba kane ka thong kamir jong kane ka Niti Ayog sambarta abhiyan nga kerman scam ba ka district jongi kan long sa ka district hakmat tam umtang hagajala hanrei hari boy baro ka way kumba ong kaktin hagari ka baklan Don kisnong ki baklan, hakasnong ka baklan, don ki beri ki bakot ki bakya, ki babat ki bestad. Kumtaro, dakini ki program jong ka Niti Ayog, langba ka kot ka kya, ka jingbam batay, ki marrep babha, kan perlong, ya ki long keme ki ba armet, ki kenarit, ki nong song snong ki bakot ki bakya, bat ki baklan pura. Ban koj ban kia ban pura kalong briu man briu kamde ro tang nakabam handai kerpang ro ban pendep yaki dawai ki bayada yaki jajing pang baper ki jing klan med bat ki jing nang jing tip yakababha lang ba ki school ki pule baper nga kerman scam baka Niti Ayog kandang the ki jing mentoy haga jing don kathan jongi langba lat jingkot jingkhia ka jingnang jing start ki jingwat bnia khanang bakan long ka jingker khu yangi iwe paiwe ngin yo mentoy naka ta haga ni ka por ngasneu ban ai kuble ya pi baro sachisen ki badon hapo kani ka community hall bat kumjo mene nga klet ban ai kublero i padar pitar i bade bapej bai ya gani ka parish tanaliang jongaro tangkini kentin nga kwa ban pensneu ban pensat sapi ta sajisen nga kuble kulum pi baro i wei pe wei uble trai kenrat unang kerku kerdo yang ingin yo ka met ka phat ka pakot ka bakya hadin balawai ya gani ke program ke jong ilo nang yele sugle san chalele ki sem ki kam ki jam ki jong pi khuble si bon khuble si hajar ngo
Bleshibun, ye Honorable MLA Shri Damanbhai Lamari, ye kintian ba ay mensim jongpi. So just to translate in brief, the Honorable MLA had stated that a strong state is made up of strong villages, and strong villages are made up of strong people. And these initiatives which are taken under the health department, the education department, are imperative to reaching the indicators that are mentioned according to the Sampurna Abhiyan indicators. Sir, sasisian ngamut khot biang yapi hastage, just to inform the guests and the dignitaries here that earlier in the morning we had a Sampurnata Abhiyan run, which started at 6 o'clock in the morning. And we have winners there. There were young boys and there were young girls that participated, and we had a good response. There was around 153 participants, and of course we'd like to felicitate the winners now. And also we had a poster competition, the themes of which are based on the indicators as provided by Niti Aayog, based on health, education, social welfare, etc. So now again I would like to invite the Honorable MLA of Umroi constituency, Shri Damanbhai Lamari, to kindly give out the prizes, firstly for the poster competition. So for the poster competition, I would like to first invite Pinbhalang Makri, who won 3rd prize in the poster competition from Ribhoy Presbyterian Higher Secondary School. Shobhaya Thapti, Yai Pinbhalang Makri. Please give him a very big round of applause. He won the 3rd place and is from Ribhoy Presbyterian Higher Secondary School. 2nd place we have Miss Khushi Singh from Alpha English Higher Secondary School. Subhaya Thapkati. Ijab 2nd place jongka poster competition. Bapulong Mane ha District Library. Thank you, Khushi. And Bajop 1st place ide I Daka Lahun I am Wajri na Ribhoy Presbyterian Higher Secondary School. Subhaya Thapti sa Shisin. Ule em sa saka marathon sa. Saka marathon. The marathon, kumbaga ongamane, it was held earlier in the morning. It was a 5-kilometer run. It was the starting point was Saiden Indoor Stadium, and it culminated in the indoor stadium here in Umlakadaj. So I will start with the youngest participant in the girl category. So the youngest participant is 10 years old, and her name is Pibanroy Kongan. Pibanroy, Subhawan siya stage. Pide youngest participant bane bamare, Subha banshim ka prize na sir. Youngest participant. Apmo Shipang. Youngest ka to youngest. So Subha. Subhaya Thapti biang namenta Pibanroy Kongan. Ibadai tang si post nem kareta ila pendep yaka jing mare marathon mene basan kilometer. Again, Pibanroy has managed to complete the 5-kilometer run which was organized earlier. Congratulations. Now the youngest participant, boys. Again, he's even younger than Pibanroy. He's 7 years old, and his name is Joshua Linkoy. Please give him a very warm round of applause. He also managed to finish the 5-kilometer run, and he's still back again here, and he's walking from the back of the stage with much enthusiasm. Oh, Ilawan. Please give another big round of applause so Bhai Athapti Shitram Namanta I Joshua Linkoy. Badang news nem kereta I pendep yakaris bene basan kilometer. Tementang akot I oldest participant female ngakot I Snora Rani, 62 years of age, mairu ila pendep yaka jing marathon mene ba san kilometer. So Bhai Athapti Shitram Namanta Ikong Snora Rani. She is 62 years of age and she has completed the 5-kilometer marathon run. Next, I would like to call upon the oldest participant, male. He is also 53 years of age, Iban Suklang Wartangar. The oldest participant, 53 years of age. Congratulations. Now we call upon the winners of the marathon. We'll start with the female category. Third place was won by Barisha Khmdeng from Sokhar. Barisha Khmdeng. So Bhai Athapti namanta Barisha Khmdeng kabasuk ban mare hakani ka jingshit jing lohop ka beneng tamba kila ya pendap ya kani ka race. Second place idai Bethlin Makri Banashnong Umdihar Bethlin Makri. But first place Bajab yakani ka marathon 1 kilometer idai Sildari Makri. Finally, for the male category, for third place, Lapan Krau Thaba, Nashnong Shang Bangla, Lapan Krau Thaba. Second place, Skemlang Subha, Nashnong Pahamdumu. So Bhai Athapti namanta is Skemlang. But first place, Bajab Yaka men's marathon 5-kilometer run ide iba Munas Bongrung, Nashnong Pahamdumu. Blaishi Bunsa, Epi. Yaki nong mare marathon nga shikwa ong ba hakakampulit nga tharay kilabon ki contestant nang nina Ribhoy district jongi. Moving on with the program, I now invite our special guest Shri Sosthenes Sotun, who's the honorable MLA of Jirang constituency, to kindly grace us with his speech.
First of all, I would like to thank God Almighty for the blessings of Ribhoy district as the aspirational district, Umling block as the aspirational block, and the state of Meghalaya as whole. Thank you so much, Ba Eric, for giving me time to present here, to share a few words with all the dignitaries and the people of Ribhoi district who are present here. I would like to thank our chief guest, Bameral, the local MLA, and at the same time, the chairman of the Health Advisory Board. And I would also like to thank local MLA of Umroi, Ba Daman Bait, and I would also like to thank Shri Surinder Mehra, the advisor of Niti Aayog, and his colleagues. Thank you so much, our Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi District, all the dignitaries from the administration, Father Peter Simle, the parish priest, and I would also like to thank the representatives from each industrial units who are here. Kublai Shibun, I President Jong Kisanjuk Kirang Ba Snong Ba Bibi Makro, Ibe Don Lang Hagnegapor, I XCM Jong Kaki HDC, Iba CBCM, Nang Tabat Kiwe Ki Riu Paukmat, Jong Ka Ribhoi District, Kibala Yapoi Lang Hagneka, Jing Kundu Lang Hagnega Sngi, Hakaba Ngiyo Banedon Bentalang, Hakaba ka Niti Aayog, kala launch ya ka Sampurnata Abhiyan, nadu ka Sautrik July, Arjar Arpusau. Bat mentagasngi, ngiyadon lang haganeka district kejungi, kabade ka aspirational district, kaba Laitu, Lingba, Kasarbe, Kabaka Niti Aayog, Kaladeble, Bat Kumju, Yaka Umling Block, Kabade, Ka Aspirational Block. Kublai Shibun, Yaki Kana School, Ki participants, Haki Benta, Ki Baper, Nadu Menam Step, Ki Rio Pakmat, Ki Longkme, Ki Rangba, Ki Samla, Ki Bedon Lang Ke Negapor, Kublai Shibun ya ka Jingedon Lang Ke Jongpi. As representatives, we are happy to learn, we are happy to see that officers, be in the administration or the officers and staff, be in each block, working hard for the benefit, for the upliftment of each block, and especially a district and a state. So as representatives being elected by the people, we would also like to lend a helping hand to work together for the benefit and the upliftment and for the betterment of the people of each block, be the aspirational blocks or all the blocks within the district and the state, and especially our Ribhoi district being the aspirational district. Niti Aayog, they have launched this Sampurnata Abhiyan on 4th July. The target is for 3 months, ending on the 30th of September. The target of the Niti Aayog, which we have to thank the central government. The aim of the central government, the state government, as well as the Niti Aayog, to target especially on those key performance indicators that through these key performance indicators, it would reach out to the people, be in each block, especially the aspirational blocks and the district. And the target of the central government to reach out to the people for the upliftment of the people of each block and the district. We need the collaboration, the helping hand, how to reach out, to work together for the betterment of our people. Parlok paro kilong kami kilang ba kisamla kibedon hakine kapor nakaliang jungi kum kinong mikmat ngisaw ban ngikwa ban ay minsim bat ngikentu epi bapin sim me kini kabu lingba ki programs ki ba repair ki ba ka Sarkar India, ka Sarkar Jilla, lingba ki ka administration, lingba ka office jong video, ki balay persangkat bala, nakabenca kumno ban poi, nakabenca ban kintiw, ya ki paiba ki badon haman la ki blok, kamtam ya ka aspirational block, bat kumju ya ka district hi barok away. Ngelai yakini kiki performance indicators katkum kaba lanu tahun da ka Niti Aayog hakaba kilong kami kamtam kilong kami ki ba armet kinyo kalat kalenti bamaki kinhab ban take care about ban pikir bhai kemet kejoki lingba kilat jingrap naka health sector. But kipabun kwe kibenta hakaba nakaliang ka health sector ya persang kat bala kamtam ya ka early detection kamtam hakaneka partai ka bamenta hakaneka juk ka bamenta kaba ngilai ya ka jingstom kaba ngikum kibreu teng teng ngim da shimkhia hadu kata tat hadu ba ngin da lej ban test yelade ngin setip kamtam hakaneka por bamenta ngitip lut ki kamtam kitu kibreu ke belarang ba kibala kot ekarta kibala cross ek saupo hab ngilej bantes lagu ki kentai na ki shinrang ngilej bantes kamtam hag bidai ba ka diabetes kini baro kiba kide kilat kelenti ke banirap na kementai jongi namar habangi tes ngilap bat ngilak ban pikir bat kumju ek target kaba nakaliang ka government lingba ka niti ayuk nakam cha bu kumno bagin thau kilat kilenti ban kintiu hakabedei ba kapuli ko puthi kumno ba ki school kinyo eka electricity kumno ba ki school kinyo ya ko ummam ko umdi kini baro kidei ki benta ki ba kraw nak benda ban kintiu eka block bat kumju eka district kumlapan pau mane dai way này ki nong song nong i kong lapan pau bidei bat ka soil health card ngi ha ka district ka jungi ibun ki nong rep bat lingba kani ka lat kalenti ngangit skemba ki pai ba ha ka district ka jungi kinshim ya ka kabu namar ba lingba ka kabu ka ba ka sarkar lingba ka kabu ka ba ka Sarkar kawarna ki officers ki badon ha ki block bad ha ka district ki ele shitom banwarna nak mta ka jingmentoy ka jungpi ki pai ba ngangit scam ba ki pai ba abaro kini shim ya kene kalat kalenti ya kene ka kabu nak banta kumno bangin la ban kintiu ya ka block ka jungi kumno bangila ban kintiu ya ka district ka jungi ka jinge trailang kalong ka bor but kumjuru ngidon kam ya kata ka jingsbun lene ka generosity hakaba ka ka ba ma pi pitip ka ma pi layo ya kalat kalenti pideban ai lang shikiweru kumno ba kiweru kinyo ya kalat kalenti kinyo ya ka jingtip krang ba makiru kinyo lang ya ka jingmentoy lada ba way ubreu unyo ya ka jingmentoy lada kishis pangut kidu ya ka jingmentoy ngatrai ka no ka snong lene ka block lene ka district kanomla ban kiu lada ba baro ngiyo lang ya ka ju ka jingmentoy ka ba ka sarkar ka bu ya ka thong tat hata ngin sala ban kentiu ya ka block ka jungi ngin sala ban kentiu ya ka district ka jungi ngi kermen scam ba lingba ka jingi trash tom jong ki officers ki ba fair kit bok kerwiang ya nadu ka district administration ki ka block office ya ka district hi borok way lingba ka soka jala hakba kala mait phang ka thong ka ba matam na ka banta kumno ban kentiu ya ka district ka jungi ya ka block bat kentiu ya ka jalahi porokoi ngi ai ngu ka dem yu plenong bu tong thau na ka banta ka jingker khu ya ka district ka jungi ngi skamba ngi nangi sikmat ba ka district ka jungi ka block ka jungi kanang la ban kiu state habaro ki banta kuble shipun kuble shajar ngu thank you.
Thank you, sir, for that uplifting and engaging speech. We truly appreciate your dedication on the matter. Moving ahead with the program, we have the handing over of check to the principal of Say Borlang Secondary School, Umshaken, which was funded through the CSR initiative, the Corporate Social Responsibility Initiative, and like Sir had mentioned in his speech about being generous and giving so that the upliftment reaches towards all. So the Barnihat Industries Association was kind enough to provide financial support to a school here in Umshaken which did not have electricity. So just to give you a little backdrop on the story to all the guests and all our dignitaries and everybody present here, the Office of the Block Development Officer in Umling had written to the EPIP Industries in Barnihat and had requested them initially for funds to build toilets and for drinking water facilities in various schools that we had gotten a list of from the DSEO's office. The main objective of this initially was to build, to construct toilets for the school children and also to provide them with drinking water facilities. On bringing this up with our Deputy Commissioner, he was kind enough to tell us that and to inform that this fund, which was agreed by the Industries Association, he said, you use this fund for something else, and whereas for the toilets and the schools, we will fund from the DMF fund, the District Mineral Fund, sir. And he was kind enough to agree on that. And so with these funds that was agreed upon by the Barnihart Industries Association, we had decided in a meeting when we had with all the line departments that there were three schools, in the entire district that did not have electricity, and one of which was in Umling block. So we decided to, and they had already made the estimates for the cost of providing electrification in the particular school. So we had decided, and we had interacted with the association, and we had told them that this is the estimate, and if you would be kind enough to, fund the electrification of this project. And they were ready. And even though in a very short span of time, they had agreed, they had collected the money, they had agreed to be here with us in the presence of everybody to show the commitment towards contributing towards the upliftment of various sectors, in this case the education sector, and providing electrification, which is an absolute necessity. So for this, I would like to invite our Honorable MLA from Jirang constituency, Shri Sosthenes Sotun, to kindly give away the check, and also to give away the check, to Say Borlang, to the principal of Say Borlang School Umshaken. I invite him on the stage, and also to the representatives of the Barnihart Industries Association. Kindly, thank you. I principal Subha Jongka Say Borlang, Subha Yawan Hangni. Kani kadai ka check ban fan namenta ban pinyo boarding ya ka school Say Borlang Higher Secondary School ha Umshaken ha Nongpo. Kani ka funding nilaya initiate nakaliang jong ka office jong UBDO Umling ban ki Barnihart Industries Association kilaya Kloy ban ay kani ka funding. Tinakaliang jongi ni ay kublay yaki association jong ki industries na Barnihart balayo ban pinay kani ka funding naman ta ka electrification kublay shibun. Thank you so much. Sashi Sien Subhai at Hapti Shitreham Namanta kani ka initiative Blay Shibun. Thank you. I thank the Honorable MLA and also the representatives from the Barnihart Industries Association, and also to the principal of Say Borlang School. Moving on to the next part of the program, I now invite our special guest, Shri Merrill Bon Sim, who is the Honorable MLA from Nongpo constituency. Sir.
Agaba ng kong ipan pau jing sungu yaw blay nagbanta kan ni kapor kaba kerpang kabangin yo abania kendu obat pi ki peran song snong ki bai apo ka tem ribhoi hi baro kawi. The chairman of this program, Shri Eric Dekhar, who is the BDO of Umling CNRD block, respected MLAs who are present here, Pak Sosthenes Sotun, who is also the government chief whip, government of Meghalaya, MLA from Umroi, Shri Daman Baj Lamare, chairman of the housing board, government of Meghalaya, dignitaries who are present here, Shri Surender Mehraji, who represent Niti Aayog, and also Shrimati Shilpaji, who are here. And we are happy today to share a dais with our new DC, Shri Abhilash Banarwal. First time we met since you just recently joined as a Deputy Commissioner, Ribhoi District. So on behalf of the people of Ribhoi, we welcome you and we wish you all the best. As the head of the district administration, God will give you strength, wisdom, so that you can carry on several issues, several initiatives that has to be taken within the district. The official from the district administration, Pak Tongper ADM, Kong Pakenting, and other EAC or ADM who are here, Father Peter Simli, the parish priest of Nongpok Parish, the representative from the Senjuk Gerang Bak Chnong, Bak Bibi Makedo and Bak CBCM, the representative from the line department, health department or social welfare, agriculture and other line department, kumjuru ya ki Asha, ki Anganwadi, ki Bami Kmat nag Chnong Baper, ki group nong rep, but kiwi don hagane kapor, kumjuru ki porlok na ki printed but ki electronic media. Since it is a program, we have a mixed population, where few they will understand English, few they don't. So I have to speak in English a little bit, then I'll speak in Khasi also. Please permit me, Mr. Chairman, if I'll take little more time, but I'll try to restrain myself. In this kind of weather, humid weather, we'll try to restrain ourselves. It is indeed a pleasure for me to be here today in this very important program, the Sampurna Abhiyan, that has been launched today. The program that will be kick off from the 1st of July till the 30th of September. We are very fortunate enough that Ribhoi district has been regarded as aspirational district since 2018. In the beginning, each and every one of us, we're still wondering, by being regarded as aspirational district, what are the kind of benefit or incentive that we are going to get from the government of India. Everybody was eager. Then slowly we came to know there are indicators, parameters that has been laid down by Niti Aayog in all those 117 districts that time. Now it's around 112 district, aspirational district in our country, where special initiative has been taken in the field of health and nutrition, agriculture, education, and so on. To stress on this, in the past 5 to 6 years, we have seen tremendous changes has take place in Ribhoi district. In the field of health and education, compared to other districts of a state, few they may notice, few they may not. But as a representative of Ribhoi district and Nongpok Panusi in particular, I've seen several changes, and I must place on record my sincere thanks to the government of India, to the government of Meghalaya, for the initiative that has been taken, especially with regard to the mother and child health, MCH, within the district. Special initiative how to make our sub-center into HWC, Health and Wellness Center, where before delivery is not taking place in the sub-center level. But now we have seen changes is that even delivery is being conducted, even at the sub-center level, at the ground zero. Also at the same time, with regards to different health institution, infrastructure, and then the increase of the bed or the improvement of different ward and facility like ultrasound or CT scan in Nong Pok Civil Hospital, which is underway now. Just in the past few years, there is a special initiative that has been taken where all 100 beds within Nong Pok Civil Hospital, it has been the centralized of oxygen plant is already in place for the patient who need oxygen. This also is being done through CSR. And we have seen in different PHCs, CHCs and sub-center within the district, there are several changes that has taken place. Even in the field of education, additional classroom, toilets for boys and girls, and other facilities, it is taken place. So on this note, I would like to thank the Niti Aayog for a special consideration. And also, I don't know how long it will be regarded as aspirational district, but there we have a long way to go. Mr. Mehra, who are here, represent Niti Aayog, and also Shilpaji also. Please take this message that Dribhoi district, we need more initiative with regards to health and nutrition, with regards to education, with regards to agriculture, with regards to weavers, livelihood of our artisan and farmer. We have seen one lady, her name is Elizabeth Lapang. She has given a testimony here about the soil health card. And we have seen the principal of Seiborlang Secondary School, they have received a check of 2,70,000 for electrification of the school. And we need more, especially with regards to Anganwadi Center. Initiative has been taken by the state government, central government, to ensure that each and every village with a required population, they should have ICDS, Anganwadi Center, where small children, lactating mother, they will get benefit out of it. Even though there are several villages within our district, within our block, Umling block, which is an aspirational block, that ICDS center or Anganwadi center has to be made. Mo kini Anganwadi worker kibadon hang ni ngatrai kidang don sipun kisnong kibaki Anganwadi center kimpat biang dagi don roisai kila ajot ladon kambanio ka batmai bat kumtater don kisnong kibala bun population ladi banio sakawi ka center bat kumtater. There are villages which they have exceed population where more center need to be created. So my sincere request to the Niti Aayog is that through the Deputy Commissioner to have a special emphasis on Anganwadi Center in different villages, because we have several villages which don't have, if they have also not a proper one. And then number two is with regard to the disabled person. There are many disabled person within our district, within a block also, a special emphasis on this. Social welfare, whatever they can do, they are doing. But more has to be focused on the PWD, people with disability, within our district, where we have seen parents from time to time. As a representative, we used to counter challenges, how to address this issue. So I would request to look into the facilities to be provided for the disabled person also. At the same time, with regard to one of the issue which is very relevant in present day generation is the increasing of the drug abuse within our district, within locality. Just recently, in the program conducted by the Meghalaya AIDS Control Society, we have seen an increasing case of HIV positive within the district. It is on a rise, which is very alarming. So, district administration, we as legislator, Niti Aayog, government of Meghalaya, government of India, a special emphasis has to be taken in order to counter this menace within our society. At the same time, keeping in mind for those young boys and girls who have been already induced in this habit to have a rehabilitation center. Our DC, if you have through CSR also you can do on this, where we should have a government-owned rehab center for the drug addict. It is really a burden for the parents. Many parents used to come and meet as a legislator. Not me, even Ba Sotun, Ba Naman Bait, also they counter this kind of challenges, where parents used to come how to address our children who are already in the habit of drug addicts. We have a rehab center which is a private owned, which is very expensive. It is 10 to 15,000 per month for the poor parents, they cannot afford. So this is also an indicator, because directly, indirectly it linked with health. So it needs to be looked into, where the government of India will have a special focus on this. There is no issue about land. We have traditional heads. We have Rangbashnong, the Raj, the Ilaka, the Hima. There is not much issue about the land. Main is the funding. Once we get the funding, and especially it should be a government-owned, free of cost, rehab center for drug addict, it will be of a great help within our district. At the same time, how to curb, how to give awareness. Just recently, as a legislator, because the mantra today that we have pledged also, I pledge to work and contribute toward making my block district saturation with all indicators. So today also, I'm pleased to announce that from my local area MLA scheme, that I'm going to sign an agreement with one institute to have a proper awareness program with regards to drug abuse, with regard to teenage pregnancy. Awareness has to be on a war footing. So this is the initiative that, as a legislator, it is a question to me, I should start from myself. I have to contribute something. We have to contribute something to the society. So I will look forward that in days to come, initiative that we are trying to take, it should reach to the people at large, at ground zero, for the benefit, especially with so many elements that is happening within our society. Ki paran song gibi kalong kasngi ke kemen, bat bangisung kemen bagani ke program ke belatip ke musampurnata abhiyan, kumbala ban sunguthu habapan kala ya ke khasi ya kani ke kentin, ngala ban bakla kiba ngam danang than ya ke kentin Hindi, tehenrei kumbala ban suthu ke jengmut jungka kalong, ke jingele alane ke jing persang bapura, samurta ke kamut ke di ke bapura, berkabhian ke movement lane ke jing yakun ke jingele ke jungi bahkan long ke bapura ke jing yakun ke jungi bergejing persang jong ke sorkar India ban pentikna ba ketenat jong ke kot ke khya ketenat jong ke pule ke puthi ketenat jong ke rep keriang ban persang ban yarap ya kini gijing rap ke bapher bol keren menne kila don shibun gijing mentoy ki bahaki hospital ke jungi ke sub center jungi ngila yo katu kat ni tang bakim pat biang ngidang di banang yo susu ban pentikna bakum mensua hagi sop sentar amjula ban penkha khlung di mentah hagi sop sentar ro gila penkha khlung ki sop center ki badon hapo ke distrik ke jungi kadi jing lanang kiu bagi jing yo jing arab lengba namar baka ribhoi distrik ke jungi kadi ketak aspirational distrik ka bagi khot kepala itu kerpang naki langin sumudur ro kari India ke jungi ke badon daki spa Hajar Teli ke distrik, de legit tang cispa akar arteli ke distrik, karibhoi distrik ke dekewe ni kita. Ni sokemen ki Asha ke badan hang ni, ki ba Trishtom ke anggan wadi workar ke bait ki jungi, ki badan ha madan ban pentikna bagi jingerap nagaliang jong sorkar kin poi syaki pajba. Ni soban ai ke jing kitbok kiruyang ya ki Asha ke anggan wadi ke bait ki jungi, ki ba Trishtom naka por syakapor la sisa ke jing siu jong pi kimde ki bahe pi juhab ban yakun nagapor sakapor ban mi hasurok ban dawaya ka hok nagamenta ki jing siu bat kumta ter kum wei nang ginong mikmat bat ki para MLA jungi banon lang hang neru ngin kular scam hapi bakat bala angin persyang hai bor berit ban yarap ban page ban kemi ban keren baki jingarap ya ki anggan budi worker ki asha worker ki jungi hila banio hagarkom ka babit ki babiang ki jingduna kin don bet ka sorkar ka persyang ban adres ki jing tang bagi jingduna ki don bet ha ki babun ki liang dengan dokumen pat begini ki lain department jungi ki beper ki badan hang ni ki lam den agriculture na horticulture na social welfare na soil na piludi bat kamta ter ki bedon hang ni na kot ke khia kamtam ye tri rengkat na kapor bat ngi scam bat ngi kitbok ki riang ye gitu ki bayo ai ki awards mene ki prize marathon nang ta ki poster nang ta ka school sebor langru ka ba layo ai du ki jingerap ka bekerpang lang ba ka CSR ban yo ya ka electrification na po school ka jongpi ide ki jingelam ki jong blei ba phi yo ai ki jingkerku ki jing tristom jong video jongi bala tho haba phi lala ban yo panangi scam nang ne sakmat ru i video jongi ADM jongi DC jongi badon hang ne kini le kala kat bala ban address kini ki jing ki ba ngi don ngi dokumen ban ye don rengkat ha kani kesngi ka ba launch ya kani ke program jisangi kimi lenti menteri rang ba apung nuan tendre nakadau ke jing bom lakyar im som la ban poilang ban ngi mata kesngi tendre ngi dokumen pat bagani ke program kelalong ka ba job kaba yai be yai renti ngi ki stall hang thia baru ki ba yai men sim ngi pe ki don ki stall ba per ki jing than ki jing ki tiar gitar ki ba ki nong rap ki jungi ki snana ka por saka por tangan sim chupun ka por ka jong phi ko beli 1000 ngu na ka banta jong ka jing khot sobha jong ka district administration. Once again I would like to place on record my sincere thanks to the deputy commissioner, to all the supporting staff within Ribhoi district. We wish you all the best. You come from different places of our country. You come here to serve. People from outside our state, people from outside our district. So we wish you all the best. If any help, we are there to work together as a public representative. Senjuk Kirang Bashnong, Kilong Kami, all civil society, we are there to work together. At the same time, if anything from our side also, you please don't mind, because we are villages. Most of the villages here, only Nongpo is a small town, or maybe Bernihat and Umsning. Most of the villages, maybe we don't know how to talk, we don't know how to respect. So on their behalf, you please don't mind. And we wish that we will carry on this legacy that you have, the Ribhoi district as the aspirational district that we will carry on in days to come. Kubli Shibun, Kubli Chijarangu, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your valuable insights. Your perspective was enlightening and will surely resonate with all of us. As we move on to the next part of the program, sir has been kind enough to stay on stage with us since now we have the distribution to the beneficiaries by a special guest here, Honorable MLA of Nongpo, under the following indicators. So we have 5 beneficiaries of soil health cards from the Department of Agriculture and 5 beneficiaries from the health department, from the social welfare department for take-home rations. So I would like to take this opportunity to first call upon the beneficiaries of soil health cards. Firstly, Fasti Legion Nongrum, Ikong Fasti Legion Nongrum, Sobha Ban 1 Hastage Banshim Ganika soil health card Kajongpi. Nangta ikong Elizabeth Lapang. Subhaya Thapti. Ikong Elizabeth Lapang. I Felix Sinclair. Nang tade I Loving Ksher. But kaddo Iba Bilison lapang. Kini ki beneficiaries jong ka soil health cards. Subha sa shisen tapti shitrehem naman ta jong ki. Bleshibun, Department of Representatives of Department of Agriculture. Next, sir, kadang don. Next, ngimut yasa miya ka take home ration namanta kilong kumi jongi nang ni na Ribhoy District. Teningkong ngakwa ban invite yi kong Rosemary Maupniang. Kakya. Kong Rosemary. Subhaya tap kati shitrehem naman kong Rosemary Maupniang. Kani kadai ka supplementary nutrition ba but ikong. So these are the beneficiaries of the supplementary nutrition program, sir. Ikong Glory Karmalki. Ikong Priti Marbanyang. Ikong Shushma Sharma. Mothers are the backbone of our society. Please give them a big round of applause for coming forward and taking the initiative of being beneficiaries of government programs. Thank you, sir. Idon, ikong Priti Marbanyang idon. Pleasure, sir. Thank you once again to the Honorable MLA of Nongpo constituency. This is for the information of all present here. There's a board outside for signature campaign to highlight the importance and to put your signature and to ensure that each one of us are participant to this, to ensuring the saturation of the key performance indicators. Now, I would like to call upon our Additional Deputy Commissioner in charge of Planning Branch, Ribhoy District, Madam Brenda Parkentine, to kindly propose the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Eric. Sorry about that. As I stand to propose the vote of thanks, I extend my deep appreciation to the representatives of Ribhoy District who have graced this occasion as special guests, Sir D. Lamare, MLA Umroy, Sir S. Sotun, MLA Jirang, Sir M. Same, MLA Nongpo. Thank you so much, sirs, for being here with us today as our special guests. I express my gratitude to Sir S. Mehra, Advisor Niti Ayog for Northeastern States, who is also accompanied by Madam Shilpa Ahuja. Sir has come and Madam has come all the way, traveled all the way to partake in this program from the side of Niti Ayog to support us and to guide us in transforming the aspirational district of Ribhoy and the aspirational block of Umling in due course of time from aspirational to perhaps dare we dream inspirational district and block. Thank you, sir, to Sir A. Baranwal, the Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoy District, for leading us from the front in organizing and putting together this program. I also thank all the district office who shall play key roles in the next 3 months to achieve targets and indicators under the Sampurnata Abhiyan, and also for today for their positive support in launching the Abhiyan program. Other district office like the office of DIPRO, DSO, who have also helped us with organizing various activities to mark this day. The officers and staff of DC office Ribhoy, the BDO of Umling, Eric and his team for working very hard in the last few days to organize this program. The field functionaries comprising of Ashas, Anganwadi workers, self-help groups, farmers, students, participants in the marathon, and of course the Sinjuk Kirang Bashnong and the headman, and other local authorities who have spared their time to be with us here today. The media, personnel, various forms of media who are here with us to cover this program. Father Emle, custodian of this venue, for allowing us to have this program here. It is a very nice venue, very nice location, so we appreciate it a lot. And I apologize if I may have missed out on anyone else, but I do thank them very sincerely for their contribution in every way to launch and mark the Sampurna Abhiyan officially today in Ribhoy district. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Madam Brenda. This is, as we come to the end of the program, I would like to inform the special guests and the dignitaries present here that we do have arranged for a cultural show. And before that, I would like to play a video on Sampurnata Abhiyan given by Niti Aayog.
जब भी कभी आजादी के बाद बनी टॉप 10 योजनाओं का अध्ययन होगा तो उसमें एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रोग्राम को कभी आजादी के बाद बनी टॉप 10 योजनाओं का अध्ययन होगा तो उसमें एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रोग्राम को स्वर्ण अक्षरों में लिखा जाएगा। इस अभियान की सफलता अब एस्पिरेशनल ब्लॉक प्रोग्राम का आधार बनी।
Breaking new grounds under the inspirational leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the aspirational program is transforming the lives of millions of people. Its committed implementation in about 112 districts and 500 blocks has ensured multi-dimensional success to lay a strong foundation of Viksit Bharat. Sampurnata Abhiyan is being implemented in saturation mode to meet desired targets ascribed in the aspirational district and block programs. The Sampurnata Abhiyan will launch on 4th July and end on 30th September. The campaign, running simultaneously in aspirational districts and blocks, will seek to achieve 100% delivery in 5 key sectors: health, education, social welfare, nutrition and agriculture sector. Over the next 3 months, this campaign will become the vehicle to bring about complete transformation in the selected sectors. All aspirational blocks and districts have been asked to prepare an action plan for the implementation of the campaign. The work undertaken will be reviewed by district collectors and will send a report to Niti Aayog every month. All aspirational blocks and districts will work on indicators like prenatal support to pregnant women and supplementary nutrition. Distribution of soil health cards will be the focus in the agriculture sector. In all aspirational districts, information regarding vaccination of children between 9 to 11 months will be collated. Power supply to schools and availability of study material to children will be the focus of the campaign to evaluate progress made in the education sector. And in all aspirational blocks, awareness programs to manage diabetics and hypertension will be launched. saturation program will also evaluate self-help groups getting assistance under the revolving funds. Empowering and respecting the poor, youth, farmers and women is the foundation to make India a developed nation. This saturation program will go a long way in fulfilling Prime Minister Narendra Modi's idea of Viksit Bharat.
To call upon the Polio Village Organization, who will be presenting before us a song which is titled, in Khasi is titled Tebe Jing Shai Ai Kan Pernai, which roughly translates to let your light shine. Play Shibun Yaka Umpoliu VU. The next I call upon Balgam SHG to perform their Garo dance. Thank you so much to Balgam SSG from Tehal Bagan. Now, last but not the least, I would like to call upon Yatalli Village Organization from Ingjal A to perform the last skit for the day. Thank you so much. Thank you, Yatelli, village organization. This for the information of all, sir. There's a school, Reboy Presbyterian School. They also have a troupe, and they're very excited to perform before you, sir. So this will be the last performance of the day, after which I request all to be seated, the participants and the visitors here today. Lunch is prepared for you, and to all the guests and dignitaries and the headmen to kindly move to Circuit House where lunch will be served. So, sir, once again, please, I thank you for your patience. Lastly, I would like to invite Reboy Presbyterian School to perform. Thank you. Thank you so much to the students of Ribhoy Presbyterian School. With that, we have come to the close of the program. And before we proceed to the for lunch, I would like to request all the guests and all the dignitaries to kindly come up on stage for one picture. And if the if the beneficiaries are still here, yes, ma'am. Sir, so one picture we'll take from here. I request the photographers to kindly take one picture from here forward that side, and one picture from there with the backdrop of the launch. I request everybody to kindly stand up for a picture.